Welcome back. Big news coming in from the state of Kerala. A special bench has been constituted in the Kerala High Court for hearing cases related to the Hema Committee Report. Only women judges will be part of the bench. The decision was made by a bench headed by the acting Chief Justice of the Kerala High Court. Let me go across to Varshni now for more on this, who gets us more details about the decision taken by the Kerala High Court in this matter. Varshni, a special bench comprising of only women judges will be hearing cases pertaining to the Hema Committee report. Tell us about the terms and the ambit of the hearings that will take place before this bench.
Well, if you see, a special bench has been now constituted according to sources. It is a two-judge bench that is going to be, hearing moving forward all the cases pertaining to the Hema Committee report. We've been seeing the number of complaints that have been being filed and the number of FIRs that has already been registered, and the anticipatory bail petitions are also being moved in several courts, including the Principal Sessions Court as well as the High Court in Kerala. At the same time, now the acting Chief Justice and his bench has decided that a special bench would be constituted, and sources say that this two-member bench would be comprising of Justice A.K. Jaishankar Nambiar and Justice C.S. Sudha, and these two justices would be the ones who would be hearing the cases regarding to the Hema Committee report, anything that is moving forward. Therefore, as of now, the several petitions that are being filed by different people in different courts will also be combined and will be moved to the two-member bench that is now being constituted. So very soon we can expect this two-member bench to be fully functional and starting to hear all the cases that come under the Hema Committee report.
Just as a follow-up to that, Varshni, we've seen several FIRs also being filed by several women who've stepped forward following, of course, the contents of the Hema Committee report being released. Some people, of course, have been accused of sexual harassment as well, and FIRs have been filed in that regard as well. Would the court, now that a special bench has been constituted, be looking into these matters as well? Would these separate FIRs that have been filed be within the purview of what the bench will be hearing?
Well, absolutely. If you see, the bench will be hearing all these cases. The SIT, the Special Investigation Team that is filing all the complaints, all the the FIRs that all they are registering will all be taken into cases and will all be moved only by the two-member bench. And this two-member bench will be, this bench, according to our sources, they say that this bench has been constituted mainly to be, to hear cases that are gender sensitive. There has to be a gender sensitivity while listening to these cases, and that is why a separate bench only will be focusing on the cases that fall under the Hema Committee report has been constituted now, and it also has a female judge and a male judge, and both of them will be together hearing all these cases, and only based on the cases and the defense we will be able to know what kind of case is being built for the trial and what kind of defense is being made, because for now it is all anticipatory bail petitions that are in the court that is going under the legal procedure. But very soon, once it goes to the court, once the bench starts hearing the cases, we will get more details as to what is the nature of these cases and how they will be investigated.
Thanks a lot, Varshni, for that detailed update from Kerala, where a special bench is now being constituted by the Kerala High Court to look into matters pertaining to the Hema Committee report.